What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll make a quick name tag for a dog. This will work for other pets as well, not just dogs. I'm well aware that the craftsmanship does not look stellar, but I specifically prefer the battle-worn look for this application. You're welcome to clean it up and make it nice and shiny if desired. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Now, let's get started. First, let's get some material. I'll just be using something from my scrap metal. Looking through what I have, I'm liking this piece of aluminum. It's already pretty much the right size, and it's corrosion resistant and lightweight. This is a great combination. The plan is to put the name on one side, a contact phone number on the back side, cut it to length, and drill a hole for mounting it. I'll be using a set of number and letter punches. It's typical to use a hammer to punch the characters, but they can be inconsistent depths. I will be pressing them in with a bench vise, so the depths are controlled and consistent. Here is a poor strike with a hammer, for example. So, let's do it. I press the name on one side, and the phone number on the back side. Straightening things back out. Cutting it to length. And cleaning up the cuts and sharp edges. I'm going to need a keyring to attach it to the collar. This should work well. I'll do a good old switcheroo. I don't think anyone will care or even notice. Perfect. Now let's drill a hole for this keyring. The hole is centered, so the tag will be balanced. And here we go. The name of this dog is Jazz. It's not perfect by any means, but it'll do the job. Looks like I used an upside down V instead of an A. LOL. Lol. Oh well. I also moved the A down on the fly to make room for the hole. Unfortunately, I will refrain from showing the phone number on the backside, but it looks really good. 2 more steps. Next, it's time to fill in the characters. You can use wax, epoxy, or paint. I'm using oil-based paint so it will not wash off. Water-based and permanent markers just don't hold up. Fill in the characters. Then wipe the face clean. That really makes it pop and finishes the job. Nice! And the last step is to install the keyring. So that will do it. This is corrosion resistant, lightweight, and it will last. I hope you found this helpful or entertaining. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos, and I'll see you in the next video.
Wait, what? Who did this?